How to plant Pandanus in pot with easy for beginners. Pandan or Pandan rajai is one type of monocot plant of Podaceae that has a distinctive scented aroma. Pandan via leaf is used for fragrances, cake or even food coloring in addition to suji leaves, as well as for food decorator. Pandan perfume is widely used in the cooking tradition of Indonesia and other Southeast Asian countries. Scientific name of Pandan rajai is Pandanus amarillifolius. Pandanus plants are very easy to find in the yard or grow on the edge of a shady ditch. Pandanus plants have large riding roots. The leaves are elongated with a length can reach about 60 centimeters and arranged a tight rosette. In some species there is a jagged leaf edge. Many people are now planting pandan either in the house or plant pot. Well, this time we will discuss about how to plant Pandanus in pots. 1. Pandan seed selection. Generally, Pandanus is grown vegetatively through seedlings or buds. Choose healthy buds to plant. Seeds used are cultivated to have hanging roots because otherwise the Pandanus is not grown. 2. Preparation of pot and media planting Pandanus. Planting pots used can be pots we buy at Toko or other containers such as polybags, used buckets or others. If the pot is ready, then prepare the Pandanus planting medium that is in the form of a mixture of soil, compost and roasted husk with a ratio of 2 to 1 to 1. 3. Planting Pandanus in pot. If all is ready, then immediately do the planting. First fill the third part of the planting pot with a fraction or tortile, then enter the planting medium to half the planting pot. After that, make a planting hole in the middle of planting media and then planting pandan seeds that have been prepared planted and back with the planting media until the planting media is almost full. After the planting is done, do watering until all wet. 4. Pandanus care in pot. Place pots that have been planted Pandanus in the shade. Perform maintenance of watering every day. In addition to watering, do also the treatment of fertilization by using organic fertilizer. Do also trimming and moving to another pot if you want large Pandanus. With good care, pandan can be harvested after 2 to 3 months after planting and can last up to 1 to 2 years. Similarly, a video on how to plant Pandanus in pot with easy. Hopefully this video is useful for all of us. Follow our next post at 18 o'clock Western Indonesia time. See you soon and thank you.